I know that there are different ways on how to earn money online, but into this video, I will be showing you guys a simple way on how to earn money online that you may have been doing this for quite some time now. By this is by watching videos. I know it sounds impossible, but it is actually possible for you to earn money by just simply watching videos, and it all starts in here. Yes, you heard it right, guys. It all begins in here right now. First thing you need to do is to watch this video and stay with me until the end of this video so that I can show you how, and I will also show you the bonus tips and other ways on how to double or even triple your income in this website. This company is available globally, so all over the world. And this is free. All you need to have is your phone or a computer, and even beginners are welcome to apply in this website. If you are ready to do this, then sit back and watch the video until the end. Stick with me, don't skip any parts of this video, and pay close attention so that you will not miss any information about this website. So if you are ready, then let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this in the future, because I always share different legit work from home jobs wherein you can earn money while you are just staying at home, especially to those moms and to students who wants to earn extra money online. So if you are ready, then let's begin.
So into this website, this is called zoombox.com, and on this website there are multiple ways to earn money, such as answering surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. So this is legitimate and trusted website because they will not only pay you, but they will also offer you gift cards from various big companies. So now, as I previously stated, there are multiple ways to earn in this website. But for this video, we will solely focus on watching videos because this is something you already do every day, and they will pay you the most with the less amount of work. But before we get started, let me walk you through the process and how you can earn money. First, you need to sign up and create your profile. So this basically means that you need to make an account. Second, they have a wide range of channels with different content, and select one that interests you. Third, you can start watching the videos, but don't forget that you need to watch the entire video to earn money. And the fourth step is that you will then start earning and accumulating points. Fifth is that you can always have the option to switch between channels so that you can always find videos that you can watch. And finally, you can redeem your points as either in cash or through gift cards. As you can see, these are the free gift cards from the big companies that I mentioned earlier. It's that simple, starting with the first step on the homepage, where you simply type in your email address and password and then confirm it, and then click the sign up now button. If you want to sign up faster, you can use your Google account or sign up with your Facebook. So once you sign into your account, you will be able to see how much money you could potentially earn, as well as see how much money other users have already earned, which can range from $200 to $500 US. You can earn these amounts as long as you keep watching videos, and if you run out of videos, don't worry, because the available videos reset every single day. So to get started, go to your dashboard and click on Watch, which is located beneath the websites in large fonts. You will be sent to a page where you can see a variety of categories and videos with various topics such as cooking or random videos, as well as how many points you can earn. So once you click on any channel, you will be taken to another sign-up page where you must fill out the required information in order to create an account. This is very important because if you do not sign up and register on that specific website, you will not be able to earn money at all. Now, for the bonus tip, you can watch multiple videos at once simply by opening and using other tabs. If you have or as you have slow internet connection, you can simply lower the video quality, and once you accumulated all the points, you will be able to convert them into cash or gift cards. As I previously stated, if you have more time and still believe you can accomplish a lot more, or you can take surveys and earn everywhere from 85 cents to $5 or even $10. And of course, if you want to get the most points and money, so choose the ones that pay the most, and
that's all
that's
for
it.
today's video. If you love similar content like this, then please take a look at my other videos. I made a playlist all about legit work from home jobs. If you like it, then please smash the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I uploaded new videos. If you have further questions, then feel free to comment down below. So I hope to see you on my next video. So bye everyone, and happy earning!